So we got a bunch of birds right here. Then right here we have this girl that's just in a downstay, being nice and calm, not chasing, not really even paying any attention to him. And this is exactly what I wanted from her, to just be able to be out here and not be fixating on all the little critters and stuff out here that move around. Good girl. And she is just doing fantastic. Stay. So you can see kind of how close she is to him right there. They're right here. And there she is. Very good. Okay, come on. Good girl. All right. Toodles.